Hello viewers, welcome to our channel, YouTube channel by. In this video I will show you how can you apply YouTube desktop play button. So I have a desktop play button award code. Here is the code, so I can apply now for the desktop play button. We sell authentic YouTube silver play button that will be delivered directly from YouTube to your address. You will have 100% payment secure, so you can order with confidence no matter where you are in the world. The play button can be delivered to you. Place your order, you will receive the tracking number and you will be able to track your order directly from YouTube website. To place an order, contact us on WhatsApp right now. So here is, you can see Creator Award silver play button, YouTube desktop play button, YouTube silver Creator Award desktop version. Here is silver award later. Okay, so simply I click here. You can see the silver play button award is here, and this is purchase code of available to me from YouTube website and deliver it to you directly. So you can give your channel name. I can just give channel name, for example this name, then click add to chart. You can see this is a custom product of not usable concert, only you can channel name will be approved, so no problem, we can approve another any name, then approve, click here. Then you can add more product like silver play button later or silver play button creator rewards. So if you need YouTube desktop play button or silver play button, contact with me, we can process to check out. And here you can see email address. You need to your email address, your country, then your full name. Please note you can provide your original nickname, and here you can see street number, city, which city you living, and here you can see the state's zip code. You can provide your zip code and phone number. Then you can go to click here and go to the order. So it's a very simple and very easy. So if you need YouTube silver play button or need a monetized YouTube channel, just contact with us on WhatsApp or Telegram. We can deal the third-party escrow site, so your payment will be 100% secure. We can deal with escrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if you need any more information, contact with WhatsApp. Thanks, have a great day.